been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying to.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am so glad you guys are here today. In today's video, I am cleaning up my super messy house. I'm not cleaning every single room in my house, but just tidying up the main areas that were quite the disaster. We had actually just gotten home from the grocery on this day, and I needed to get everything put away and somewhat organized. I feel like my husband is taking over our pantry with his paint supplies, which sometimes drives me nuts. But I just try not to sweat the small things. But I was super tired this day, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys this week. I uploaded a day in the life video this past Monday, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did not catch that video, I will make sure to link it down below so you can go check it out. I thought about only uploading once this week, but then also wanted to make sure you guys got your weekly cleaning motivation as well. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button if you have not already, and let's go ahead and get started in today's video.
I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too, when the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in.
So first, I wanted to start with putting the groceries away and throwing things away in the pantry, the fridge, and the freezer that were not good anymore. I do this almost every single time I put groceries away, just because I like to free up any space possible. And something else I like to do when putting groceries away is throw away any packaging, because it just takes up space, and then we can put it in our recycling bin.
Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Give me one more.
I was lucky to have my husband helping me today, because believe it or not, a lot of the time when I bring groceries home, it takes me anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour to get everything put away and organized. He was also putting away his sewing machine and his fabric that he uses for cornhole bags that he makes. So when it sits out on the counter, it drives me insane. If you know me at all, you know that I hate cluttered kitchen counters. So as soon as he is done, I like for him to put all of that away. Even the air fryer sitting out for a short period of time drives me nuts.
Looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
So other than getting everything picked up, I just wanted to get all of the kitchen counters wiped down along with the stove.
Focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
One of my least favorite tasks is washing any dish by hand. I tried to fit as much in the dishwasher as possible, but it was already full this day, so I had to wash a few dishes, and I also wanted to get my sink cleaned out with hot soap and water and just get everything wiped down.
Trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time. Don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down. No time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more.
Weekends are a lot busier here lately with going to my mom's pool, and we have been having some neighborhood kids over during the week, and also my husband working on his side job. So I feel like there are more random things lying around than normal, and I also wanted to wipe down my pantry doors just because this is an area that gets dirty with everyone's fingerprints all over them.
All we had were those memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now.
So again, I'm just doing a quick tidy up in our living room and picking up a bunch of random things lying around. I didn't do any deep cleaning in this room. I just wanted to get it vacuumed with it being such a high traffic area in our house. We have had beautiful weather here lately in southern Indiana, so my kids are spending a lot of time outside, which I love because they get to play in the sun and run off a bunch of energy, and it helps their mood throughout the day versus being stuck in the house if it's raining or something.
Try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. must have felt this coming. Can we just leave it right here, never to touch it again? Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better, better truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better, better you.
So I just wanted to show you guys a couple of little things that I got. This little picture thing over here to the left, I got that. It's a little bit bigger than the message board that I had over here in this corner. I don't feel like I'm ever going to love this corner until all of these cords are gone, which maybe never, I don't know. I've been trying to get my husband to call the cable company to get that done, to get this moved because of the what's it called, like the internet line that's over here. So I try to do my best to cover up this area, and I really liked this. I got it from Hobby Lobby last week, but I like it just because it covers it more than the message board did. And then I put the message board down here in the corner, which I think is cute. It's just fine there. And then I also got this pot from Hobby Lobby. I just need to get a plant. I don't want something too massive, but maybe that just goes about midway on that bottom right picture. Probably about that tall, but I love the plant. I just need to find one. And just a little plant update. My plants are still alive, which is super surprising because I've never owned any plants that are real. So that one's still looking good. This one here is doing something. I don't know. It's got these growing out of the top of it. I don't know what those are. My husband told me not to cut them. I'm like, okay, well, they keep growing. Are they going to grow as tall as the ceiling, or what's going to eventually happen? I don't know. But they're still alive, cute as ever. So there's my little plant update. The area on the stairs is kind of our catch-all place, so things that need to be carried upstairs, we will throw on the stairs until we were ready to take it up. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I have mentioned that this is sometimes a hangout spot for my kids to watch their tablet and have a little snack. So there's always little crumbs on the stairs, so I have to vacuum this area several times a week.
But it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide.
wanted to get my bed made for the day, and I also just wanted to pick up a few things that were lying around on the floor and hang up some things that were on my dresser. Nothing major, it was just kind of a chill day, and I really didn't feel like doing much, which is not like me at all, but I was just super tired.
About the way you move, and I try to follow you, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight, 'cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me, and I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. In sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it motivated you a little bit to tackle some spaces in your house today. But don't forget to subscribe before leaving today, and also hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so that you never miss any of my videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and like seeing these types of videos, and I will see you next time.